Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add Tim Hortons card to app. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So to add your Tim Hortons card to the Tim Hortons app, you can follow these steps. So first of all, download the Tim Hortons app. Install the Tim Hortons app on your mobile device from the App Store if you're using iOS or Google Play Store if you're using Android. Now, create or sign into your account. Open the Tim Hortons app and create a new account if you don't have one, or sign in using your existing account credentials. After you've done that, navigate to the My Cards section. Once you are logged in, look for the My Cards or Cards section within the app. It is typically located in the menu or the home screen. Now, add a card. In the My Cards section, you should see an option to add a card. Tap on Add a Card or similar button, then enter the card details. Follow the prompts to enter your Tim Hortons card details. This may include entering the card number, PIN if applicable, and any other required information. Now, save the card. Once you have entered the card details, tap on the Save or Add button to save the card to your Tim Hortons app. Lastly is View and Use your card. After adding your card, you should see listed in the My Card section or the app. You can tap on the card to view the balance, transaction history, and use it for purchases at Tim Hortons location. Please note that the specific steps may vary slightly depending on the version of the Tim Hortons app and the operating system of your device. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions regarding adding your Tim Hortons card to the app, it is recommended to consult the app's documentation or reach out to Tim Hortons customer support for further assistance. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.